Hi, Decibels Lab has been conducting various webinars across the year. These webinars are for the reason to share the amount of activities and knowledge that we gain over the days. As a part of the facilities that we have here, which is focused in the areas of electrification and autonomous vehicle technology, we generate a lot of data. We work on a lot of new things that are, I would say, pretty cool for us and also pretty good for the industry needs as well. To be very relevant with the industry, we do work on new activities of product development, testing activities, and various different things. So through these webinars, we intended to bring all of our knowledge and learning and experiences together in the form of small bits over 45 minutes to 1 hour of sessions. This is delivered by our teammates who are actually working very closely with the machines, with the hardware, the data, with the software, and all of those good stuff. You participating in these webinars will help you to gain bits and pieces of information or get to know sort of cool things and latest things that are happening across the areas of electrification in the industry or across the world as well. So we look forward to have you in our webinars where you get to learn and gain exposure to understand what's happening across the industry. We believe you're going to enjoy our webinars and keep it up with subscribing in our YouTube channels and our LinkedIn activities, where we keep it posting about our webinars across to you over the years. Thank you very much for being patient and keep listening to our webinars and watching our webinars and enjoying our webinars. Thank you very much.